proceed, don't forget to subscribe and like. Also hit the bell button for more updates and notifications. So, let's begin. So this is the locking pliers. Now this is the small versions of the locking pliers. There are bigger ones which later I will also introduce them to you. So let's start off with the very first one, which is the chain clamp locking pliers. Now what is this for? What use is this? So you use it usually for the circular ones because this one is like chain motor. This is like yung mga ginagamit sa motor and sa mga bisikleta. Yeah. Kasi it's more sturdy rather than human force. The machine force will do it for you kapag naglalok ka. And I think this is gonna be one of my favorites. Next is this locking pliers. So this locking plier is the standard one. And it's a mostly DIY use, especially at home. Also this one. So these are the standard ones. And then this one is the industrial pliers. It's more sturdy. It's more heavy. Yeah, it's heavier and you can feel the pressure of the lock. So when you lock it, you give more force. That it holds more. Next is this locking pliers long nose. Now, as you can see, this is very much a long nose. So yes, this is also easy. It's a DIY, more on a DIY use. And it's also really soft. Not really soft. It's more on easy. It's easier compared to the industrial ones because the industrial ones you will feel more weight and more pressure because of the grip that they have. So next up are the big pliers. So this is the other locking pliers or the clamps. So I'm gonna start off first with these sheet metal clamp. Now this sheet metal clamp is used for the metals, thin ones, two thin ones that we want to put together. So this is what they use because normally we use it especially when the metal plate is flat. The next is we have the locking pliers. They also call this as the C-clamp. Now the best example that I can have or show you is I just took a metal. So don't tell anyone, okay? I just took it from somewhere. So for example, you need to put it together. So you're gonna have to clamp it together. So it looks like this. Okay? Okay, next we have the welding clamp. Okay, this is usually used for the more wider metals. I don't have any sample that I will show you, but yeah, based on the grip and the teeth, you could see the measure. No, not really the measure. You could see the difference between this welding clamp and the sheet metal clamp. The size difference as well when it is needed. So yes, and you will lock it. Then we have this big, gigantic, humongous locking pliers with swivel pads. Now what is a swivel pad? This one is the swivel pads and it moves, it adjusts. No, I could have not opened it right now, but once I open it, it could reach until here. So in case that we need to put any if we need to put any building together or need to magpupo ng nail sa kahoy na kailangan mag-hold together ng lumber and plywood, this could help as well. So that is all what I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed and you learned something and you have details for whatever you have needed. I hope that you would also look forward to our next video. So, this is everything, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye! Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested with our products, you can visit our official website at www.tolsen.com.ph. We're also available on Lazada, Shopee, and GRABMART. Or you could drop by our stores. Links are provided on the description below. Again, don't forget to subscribe! This is Layatan signing off.